This is the dashboard. I stopped by a gas station one night. Now this is probably the busiest gas station in this small Georgia town. So I decided to go somewhere else to get gas. Well, as I'm rounding the pumps, heading for the exit, I see this blue car suddenly reverse out of a parking spot and then back way, way up, nearly hitting another car that was coming in the drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. I ain't putting...
Damn. You almost run in the back of that car. What an idiot. You not going across the street?
Nah.
You could.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.